In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Canva designs as templates. Sharing your designs as templates can be incredibly useful if you collaborate with others or want to provide others with a starting point based on your work. It's a straightforward process and I'll walk you through each step to make sure you can do it with ease. Start by opening the Canva design you want to share. Once you're in, the first action is to click on the Share button, which you'll find situated at the top right corner of the screen. This button is your gateway to various sharing options for your design. After you click Share, you will see a drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to look for an option labeled Template Link. This is crucial because clicking on Template Link will generate a special link that allows others to use your design as a template. Clicking on this ensures that your design is shared in a way where others can quickly turn it into their own unique piece by editing as they please. The next important step is to click on Create Template Link. When you do this, Canva will confirm that you are creating a link specifically for your design as a template and not just sharing a regular view or edit link. This distinction is important because a template link provides the enhanced functionality you need when sharing designs for others to customize. Once your template link is ready, there's one more simple step to perform. Click on Copy. By clicking Copy, you'll add the newly created link to your clipboard, making it easy to paste wherever you need to. Now you can move to the final step, sharing the link. Think about where you want to share this link. It could be through an email, a chat message, or even posted on a social media platform. Wherever you decide to share it, the goal is to make your design accessible to others, allowing them to benefit from the base you've created while personalizing it to suit their specific needs. By following these steps, you ensure that your Canva designs can serve a wider purpose, helping others while showcasing your creativity. It's an excellent way to engage with colleagues, clients, or even friends who can use your design as a starting point for their projects. Remember, sharing templates not only fosters collaboration, but also encourages creativity through collective contribution. With these simple steps, you're fully equipped to share your Canva designs as templates, opening up new possibilities for what your hard work can inspire in others. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.